See children, it is given express the following as radicals. Just now we have gone through this, that a to the power of m by n can be written as nth root of a power m. That means the denominator is the index of your radical. Here see 21 to the power of 1 by 8. So what is your 8? 8 is your denominator of the exponent. So what it will become? It will become 8th root of 21 to the power 1. So since it is to the power 1, I am not putting 1. Now come to this. This will become 4 is your denominator. So 4 will be your index. So 4th root of 25 to the power 3. This will be here 9 is the denominator. So 9th root of 2 by 9 whole to the power 1. That means again 2 by 9. So this will become 4th root of 8 by 9 to the power 3. Okay, I hope you are getting it. See, 100 to the power minus 5 by 6. 6 is your denominator. So it will become your index of the radical. So 6th root of 100 power minus 5. Next question is 17 by 231 to the power minus 5 by 6. So this will become 6th root of 17 by 231 to the power minus 5. If you want to remove this minus 5, you can simply change the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. We have the law that a to the power minus r will be equal to 1 by a to the power r, and I have already explained this. So this can be written as 6th root of 231 by 17 to the power 5. You can say, ma'am, here also, yes, here also you can do 100 is in the numerator, so it will come to the denominator if you want to change minus 5 into plus 5. So this will become 6th root of 1 by 100 to the power 5. This can also be written as 6th root of 1 by 100 to the power 5, because 1 to the power 5 will always be 1. Now the last one, 15 by 21 to the power 2 by 5. So 5 is your denominator, so 5 will become your index here. 15 by 21 to the power 2. So this is how you can express the given exponents in the form of radicals. Dear children, let us read this question. Express each of the following with positive exponent. See here, positive exponent. Exponent is power in the form of fraction. So here minus 1 by 2 is the exponent. What is the question here? You have to change x to the power minus 1 by 2 where the exponent will be positive. And what law will be useful here? A to the power minus r will become 1 by a to the power r. So see here, x power minus 1 by 2 can be written as x power minus 1 by 2 by 1. So x is in the numerator. If you bring it to the denominator, the power will become positive. I think you got this. The same thing here, x to the power minus 2 by 5 by 1. This is becoming like this. So this will be 1 by x to the power 2 by 5. Now see here. Next question is 7 by x to the power minus 5 by 6. Simply x is in the denominator, so it will move to the numerator. So 7 will remain as it is and x will be moving to the numerator, and it will become x to the power 5 by 6. Now see here, a to the power m whole to the power n. Here you have to use two laws. A to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power m into n. First this will become x to the power minus 3 into 4, which will become x to the power minus 12. Now see, this can be written as x to the power minus 12 by 1. So to change it into what? Negative exponent into positive, what we will do? We will bring this x to the power minus 12 to the denominator, where x will become the power of x will become positive. So you will get 1 by x power 12.